Hello there. My name is Herman Woods, and welcome to Dollar Miller's YouTube program review. Is it a hustle? Let's find out if Dollar Miller's step-by-step YouTube course program that allows you to understand how to create your very own YouTube channel. Is it the real deal? My name is Herman Woods, and so far what I have to report is that it's helping me thus far with the paint-by-paint numbers and directions. But you must be patient. You have to listen and stop the recordings to complete the assignments. So Dollar Miller, is he a influencer, a consultant, advocator? I would say he is, and mentor to millions, thousands of people. So, but is Dollar Miller the real deal? Is he authentic? Is he legitimate? Or is he a fake? So, from what I've witnessed, he responds in the chat rooms, the chat groups, and answers your questions. So everyone by now, I'm sure, has heard of stories of people becoming wealthy, rich, affluent, and very successful from online working from home. But is that really true? And how about digital course creators and YouTube geniuses? Are they canonical or amazingly marvelous? So are people like Dollar Miller teachers, reality-based video creations? Or do they know how to apply their technological wizardry skills? Before I took Darlin's class, I didn't understand that the YouTube masterclass would help me in a way that I thought, well, I'll just give it a shot. But, as it turned out, I followed the step-by-step directions, and lo and behold, I'm making this video. Now, am I going to stumble? Yes. Is it ultimately, absolutely, phenomenally perfect? No. I'm just being me in recording this review for the world to try it. Because look, it's a major, monumental shift in the economic sense, COVID, and you have to take advantage of this, some kind of way. And this is one of the ways I found in doing this. So, once again, before I took Darwin's course or his class, I didn't understand that your YouTube Master Course program teaches you that the right words must be in your YouTube description, or your video may not be the viral sensation that it could be. So your script has to be constructively written in a certain way for you and for YouTube algorithms can present what it needs to bring people to watch your video. The algorithms matches interests, and that's what you need to understand about that. People's video viewing habits are matched to your video that you're presenting and that I'm presenting. So I can see that. I've noticed that so far. And, you have to see how this particular course will help you. So let me ask you a question. How would you like to learn how to set up an affiliate site to help you to earn money. Place it in the search engines, because Google's the number 2 search engine behind Google. All right. So you make a video like this, you promote it, you put it out, and it's out there on the web forever. This teaching, educational learning program, it's out on the web forever. So as a result, somebody looks at this and says, hey, let me look into what this training is all about. And you get credit. That's one of the many amazing things that YouTube allows, and allows people to make the multiple figures a month, be it 1 figure, 2 figure, 3 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures, 6, 7, So YouTube pays you out with these in AdSense. So that's what you want, and the purpose of putting out these videos is to get monetized to where YouTube pays you in ad revenue. That's really what you want, I promise you. That's what you want. It's residual income, my friends, out there. So, would you like to know how to construct the 3 major parts of a script in your video found on page 3, chapter 1 of the program? And or would you like to understand and know how to learn more about the discounted masterclass? So we have it on the site where to go to, https://bit.ly/3 little z, capital U, little q, capital F, little O, and big V. So I want you to stick around. You have to stick around to get the bonuses that you are going to see from this amazing course. You gotta look it through. Follow it all the way through to the end. Be patient. Get yourself a cup of tea, sit down, and deal with getting the understanding and actually getting this program and being a part of making residual income. So click here to learn more about the discounted masterclass program, and you'll be able to do that. It's https://bit.ly/3 COW, all caps, little s, big Y, and little 0. This video is kids friendly, and so if a child does happen to watch, it does follow YouTube guidelines. So take care and join me. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.